everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is a test I have started. I haven't filmed for a while because I am having a hard time talking, laughing, and interacting because COVID got me. Finally, I got COVID. We actually, unfortunately, got COVID while we were traveling. Had to extend our trip from Ireland and the UK. Fortunately, we weren't sick. It was more like a head cold for us. This is a head cold that it doesn't seem to be going away. So I thought I would capture this, and I am sorry I'm not done up. The reason is I very just spontaneously thought that I would start capturing this video because I'm going to fast until I have no symptoms of COVID. And my symptoms of COVID are simply this: I'm having a hard time speaking, laughing, I can't take big deep breaths. It's not stopping me from doing treadmill or doing some stretch yoga. I sometimes have to cough here and there, but it's not as bad as when I have to interact with people. So I am tired of it because this has been going on for five going on 6 weeks. I suppose maybe I'm on the cusp of actually getting these symptoms. They're becoming better, although I kind of hear some raspiness in my lungs, and I did have pneumonia about 5 years ago. So I'm a little bit worried, but I'm not worried to the point where I think I have to go and see a doctor because I don't have any fevers or anything like that. If I do get a fever, I'll be the first one in to see the doctor, but I hear some crackling happening. I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is with fasting and the belief in that my body can self-heal it. And I haven't done a fast since I've gotten back, just kind of some intermittent fasting with not eating breakfast, which is pretty usual. But I'm actually gonna give my body a break, a real break. So 3, 5, 7 days, I don't know. But I thought, I started it this morning, it's 1 o'clock. So I wanna see how well this works. This is day 1, feeling good, able to work out, just can't really talk or laugh, which really sucks. Okay, everybody, see you on day 2. Okay, so day 2 of the fast, trying to get rid of COVID symptoms, not the actual first couple of weeks. Of course, we took it easy, but now after 5 weeks, I don't want these symptoms of shortness of breath, fatigue, and the coughing when I talk, laugh. I started the fast yesterday, and today I pick up. I'm feeling great, as I do. The first day of a fast, it always kind of sucks because I think you get headaches because of stuff that you ate the day before, and kind of, especially if it was a carb or sugars or things like that. I think your body does have a natural difficulty in letting go of some of that stuff. And it has been a while since I've done a full fast, but even last week I did a bunch of intermittent fasts. However, even that wasn't working to keep COVID and to heal fast. And I am basing all of this on the principle of, or the theory of autophagy. And that is when your body is not busy digesting food all of the time, it goes into a healing state where it cleans up mutant cells, cleans up proteins in your brain. And that's why I believe that I will be able to get through COVID in these last final stages sooner. And I think you can already hear it after 1 day. I guess it's more than 1 day because this is a Tuesday, almost 1 o'clock, and I haven't eaten since Sunday. So that's more than 24 hours. But you can already hear, and sorry, just to clarify, autophagy probably wouldn't have started until like 18 hours. So I am really fully in autophagy. I'm also in ketosis. Here I am, and I can feel improvements. And I don't think this is just in my head. I am able to talk a little bit more without triggering a cough. I've done a few meetings this morning and didn't really cough that much at all. Fingers crossed. Did another workout today, not so hard, just a fast walk for about 1.5 miles. Feeling good. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, day 3 of the fast to break my COVID symptoms. So I started on Sunday. I did a full fast. The only thing I had was water, celery water with some lime and coffee and a bit of cream, which won't break the fast. So I had that for 3 days. I had Sunday dinner and then did not have anything until late today. And this is Wednesday. And I have to say that the feeling of improvement from Sunday to today right now. I would say the symptoms have improved by about 70%. I still have a little bit of the breath, but I have probably 90% less coughing, which is awesome. That was really what I wanted to break, and doing a fast, autophagy has kicked in and I feel that much better. So this has been my experience. I really feel like autophagy has cleaned out a lot of the bad COVID cells and improved my immunity and even my brain and thoughts. I can always just tell you just feel a lot clearer. I am happy to heal up a little bit more, and maybe I'll do this again early next week to really get to 100%. But I'm kind of kicked myself that I didn't do this earlier to get rid of some of the COVID stragglers that hung on to me for all these weeks. It has been about 5 going on 6 weeks. It worked for me. Perhaps you may want to try it. Bye, everybody.